Hi, this is James and Hong from Critical Crow magazine. Thanks for joining. We will show how to install a Whirlpool dishwasher. Remove black old dishwasher. We'll need to take off the brackets. Now, pull the old one out. Here is a water hose, drainage pipe, and electrical wire. We'll insert a new steel water hose under the sink area. We'll cut off the house water temporarily. Now insert a new white drainage pipe. Under the new Whirlpool, we connect the water hose on left side. White drainage pipe connected in middle, electrical box on right. White, green, black electrical wire. Shut off electricity and uncover the electrical box top. Green wire on green bolt. Now black wire join black wire. Then white wire join white wire. Now let's tuck all the wires in, put cover back, and then tilt the dishwasher back up. Alright, it's back up. This is a top control dishwasher and we had two brackets at the top. We cut the brackets and bended it to fit. Don't forget to connect the white drainage pipe to under the sink garbage disposer. After we screw the dishwasher into the brackets, it looks like this. Nice and clean. If you like our video, please give a thumbs up. Also click and subscribe for more. And please forward this video to family and friends who like survival products. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you next time.